What if the biggest threats to your future are not war or lack of intelligence, but distraction, misinformation, and losing the ability to think clearly? What if the world is changing faster than most people are emotionally and mentally prepared for? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from 21 Lessons for the 21st Century by Yuval Noah Harari. This thought-provoking book explores some of the biggest modern challenges humanity faces today, including technology, artificial intelligence, politics, misinformation, identity, stress, and the future of human society. The central message of the book is this: the modern world is changing incredibly fast, and many people struggle to adapt mentally, emotionally, and socially. Technology, algorithms, social media, and artificial intelligence are reshaping work, relationships, attention, privacy, and even human identity itself. According to Harari, critical thinking, emotional awareness, and adaptability are becoming more important than ever. One major lesson from the book is this: having more information does not always create more wisdom. We live in a world flooded with news, social media, opinions, advertisements, and constant distractions. Be careful what information you consume daily. Verify facts before believing or sharing content. Protect your attention from constant digital overload. Attention is one of the most valuable resources today. The book explores how artificial intelligence and automation may reshape society and jobs. Many industries and careers are evolving faster than expected. Adaptability may become one of the most important survival skills of the future. One fascinating lesson from the book is this: in a rapidly changing world, emotional resilience becomes extremely important. Stress, uncertainty, and rapid change can overwhelm people mentally. Develop mindfulness and self-awareness. Build healthy mental habits and routines. Learn how to stay calm during uncertainty. Inner stability becomes valuable in unstable environments. The book discusses how globalization and technology are changing how people define themselves. Many people feel confused about identity, purpose, and meaning in modern life. Self-awareness helps create direction. Another major message from the book is this: the ability to think critically may become one of the most important skills of the 21st century. In a world full of persuasion, misinformation, and emotional manipulation, independent thinking matters more than ever. 21 Lessons for the 21st Century reminds us, the future belongs not only to the smartest people, but to those who can stay adaptable, emotionally balanced, and mentally aware during rapid change. If this message resonated with you, comment "Think Deeper" below. As a reminder to protect your attention, question information carefully, and stay mentally adaptable in a rapidly changing world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in psychology, technology, personal growth, or the future of humanity today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.